Unboxing this Syska power bank right now. Let's unbox it. Okay, so we have this power bank right here, this pocket power bank, and the cable. This is really small, which can fit into your pocket very easily, and total capacity of this power bank is 10,000 mAh milliamp hours. And let's check it out, what things are there in this particular power bank. Alright, so these are the highlights of this particular product. So as you can see, it has a prolonged battery life by the modulation of pulse width. So pulse width modulation is a technique which we also call PWM. So by using this technique, it can reduce the energy consumption of recharging to prolong the battery life. So this is quite good. Intelligent multi-protection circuits. So it consists of circuits which are quite intelligent enough to ensure that a good amount of right amount of current is going inside the mobile phone or whatever appliance that is being charged, so that it does not harm the particular product. Third is advanced current shunt. So this feature ensures that when you are charging the power bank, and let's say you are charging a phone from the power bank, there is kind of loop. So in that loop, it may happen that current shunt happens, right? So there has to be something that ensures that this is being eliminated. So this power bank consists of that particular thing also, so that is quite good. And most obvious, overcharging and discharging protection should be there, because if you overcharge the battery, it may be dangerous, and even if you over discharge the battery, then also it can be very dangerous. So there has to be something which ensures that it does not overcharges or over discharges the battery. So this power bank consists of that circuit also. And last is multi-compatible. So you can charge multiple appliances from this particular power bank. It's not limited to phones only. So you can see here with iPhone, iPad, MP3, PSP, PDA, Bluetooth, cell phone, digital camera, MID, and so on. You can charge this. Yeah, and this product has a warranty of 6 months, right, from the date of purchase. Just highlighting all the features this power bank has. So you can see this has battery indicator, this has off-on switch, this has USB output of DC 5 volts with 2.4 amps. Okay, this has micro USB input of 5 volt 2 amps of current. USB output 2 also has DC 5 volt 2.4 amps of current, and type C input of 5 volt 2 amps. As the product description is, this is Syska Power Pocket 100 power bank. So this has just a brief overview. This has a total capacity of 10,000 mAh, right? And it has a polymer cell, lithium polymer cell, and also it has dual USB output. And this is how this power bank looks like. So this is really light. As you can see right here, this can easily be grabbed into your hands. It's very small. Easily it can be like carried into your pocket, right? And let's get straight onto its features. So it has a micro USB outlet right here, on which I have connected this particular cable. So you will get this cable by default in this package, right? And this is how the front of this power bank looks like. So the front of the power bank consists of two USB outlets, one type C outlet, and on the lower side the four holes which you are seeing is actually the a status LED status symbol of the battery, which this power bank contains, and this power bank contains a lithium polymer battery, right? This is one thing which I really liked about this power bank is this is really light and very convenient to carry. As you can see, I can easily carry it into my hand. Okay, let's try to charge from this particular power bank. Plug the USB inside the phone and then plug this into the USB slot which this power bank has. Okay, right. So before going on, here as you can see, we have this button to switch it on and switch it off. So when you plug the mobile phone onto the power bank, it will not automatically start charging. So to start charging, what you have to do is you have to press this button and then you can see the status of this power bank. So you have 4 LEDs, so that means that this power bank is fully charged. And now as I can see, my phone is getting charged. Yes, so this is charging, right? The specification of this power bank, so this power bank has 10,000 mAh and my phone has 3,000 mAh, I think 3 or 4,000. So that means it can at least charge my phone for 2 times, right? So I'm quite optimistic that it can at least charge my phone for 2 times, and that is from 0 to 100%, and considering the losses because of the wires and all, so not more than 2 but at least 2 we can expect. Okay, let's try to charge it also. So I have this charger cable already plugged into a adapter. Alright, I have plugged the cable inside and let's see if it shows any charging status. Yes, so if you see now, one of the LED is blinking. That means that this particular power bank is getting charged, and almost 80% it is already charged, and the final level, like 15 to 10% is remaining to be charged. So that's what it is showing up, the last LED, right? So this is how this power bank looks like. Last but not the least, so one of the features which I am really liking this is that when I am charging this particular power bank, what if I also want to charge my mobile phone, right? That's not a headache. So you can charge your mobile phone along with your power bank. Like when your power bank is charging, then along with the power bank charging, you can also charge the mobile phone from the power bank itself. This is the cable attached to the power bank and it is going directly into the phone. My phone is getting charged. So this is really cool that along with the power bank, your phone can also be charged from the power bank itself. So overall, look wise, I think this product is 8 out of 10, and in terms of convenience it is 10 out of 10 because it is very convenient, and in terms of the charging time, I think it is good enough because I tried this power bank in one of my phones, and I observed that it charged that phone from 23% to 96% in almost half an hour, right? So that is quite fast, and I think 2.4 amps is normally a fast charging only, it's not a slow charging. So charging time wise, this is literally good. How many times it can charge a phone? So I tried 2 phones. It was able to charge 2 phones fully, but after that it was not able to charge the third phone. So I think in daily life, in day-to-day use, you will definitely be able to charge 2 phones from this. But after that, as the power bank gets old and its lithium polymer battery charge and discharge cycles approaches its end cycle, or approaches its end of the life time, then you can expect lesser cycle of charges. So this is how what I feel about this Syska power bank, and I would recommend you to buy this power bank if you are wanting a power bank which is very convenient, very handy, looks good, and carries multiple outlets to charge your phone, tab, or let's say to power something from the USB cable, a 5-volt thing. So overall, a good product. Well done, Syska. Thank you.